Hello and welcome. This is Rob. I'll show you how to add a phone to your RCA business IP phone service. When you log into the website, you're presented with this page showing the phones, the locations, and the lines already established on your account. To add a phone, click Add a Phone on the right, and you're presented with the 3 model phones you can add to your account. To add an RCA IP160 S phone, press here, and now you're prompted to enter the MAC address found on the back of the base that came with the RCA IP160 phone. Enter the MAC address into the space here. And then confirm it in the space here. And then, using the drop-down, select from which retailer you purchased this phone. Press Continue. Complete the information, including the extension you wish to assign to this base and all the subsequent handsets by selecting an extension from the drop-down. And then the directory, first name and last name. Then select the number of simultaneous calls that will be processed through the base and through any handsets connected to the base. Make your selection and press Continue. And then you're presented with the option to activate another phone if you'd like. We'll say no to proceed. Now I use this page to assign an extension and specific phone numbers to that extension. You can choose to get a new number or keep a current number. If you get a new number, select the state and the area code, and then select the number from the available list of numbers. Press Continue. Now I've assigned a number to the extension 101. Press Continue. And now I've added another phone to my account as shown here. In a few minutes, it'll show as ready.